Hi guys, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OBS Studio on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's see the installation steps. Now I am going to open the console. And here, first I'm going to update the system. Use the following command. After updating, you need to add the PBA repository. The version of OBS Studio we get using the default system repository is a bit older than the one available from the PBA repository of it. Hence, let's first add it. Use the following command. Press enter. Press enter to continue. After, you need to update the system again. Then install the FFmpeg pack for OBS Studio. Use the following command. Press S to continue. After installing OBS Studio, go to the activity. Search here OBS Studio. Icon will be appear. Click to run this. This is our OBS Studio dashboard page. Our OBS Studio is successfully launched. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please subscribe and share this video. We will see the next video. Thank you so much.